case you haven't noticed, she has the hiccups. Sleeping. And she's a big Madonna fan. Ooh, they might be gone. Oh, the hiccups are gone. Nope, I guess not.